I'm Meadow and I'm Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's Ultimate Sisters Adventures Cooking Travel. Today's culinary travel is taking us to Hogwarts, where we are cooking triple power icy lemon pops. Let's go! So the ingredients we'll need is lemon zest from a lemon, water, lemon extract, sugar, some lemon juice. You may recognize the triple power icy lemon pops from Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. To get started, you're going to need zest from a lemon. Now, we use the cheese grater instead of the normal zester, so now it's mushy. So you're going to need to use a normal zester. Yeah. I need to sprinkle something. Okay, I'll give you one right now. Here you go. Thank you. Let's add it in. Put in the lemon zest. Ugh. Yeah, so sour. Let me try the lemon. I don't take a whole bite out of it with medicine. But now that we added the lemon juice, let's add in the rest of the lemon zest. And then stir it. Wait, no, add the sugar. And the water. Got it. Drink it. And remember to have parent permission and adult supervision when cooking. Also, the reason why this is called a triple power icy lemon pop is because there is lemon zest, lemon juice, and lemon extract. Yep, lemon extract, and lemon something. Yeah. Dun. That's yummy. Can't wait to eat it when it's done. Okay, now it's time to add in the lemon extract and stir it up. You gotta wait till it sizzles, take it off the heat, and then you have to add the lemon extract. Yeah. And now we go. I'm so excited. But not called molds. That's what the book says. Yeah. Well, the book says it's popsicle molds. So yeah. Or popsicle molds. But now let's add it in. So these are 4 by 4 ounce pops. So in 4 ounce there's 4 tablespoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons in 1 ounce. So we need wait, this one. Do the right one. Okay. Here you go. Yeah, the bottom one. Okay, yes, there you go. Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce, so do 8 of these in each mold. But if you have 4 ounce molds, then you can just fill it to the top. So yeah, let's keep adding these. Okay, now we're done filling these up. Now let's put the lids on. I'm so excited. I got purple, which is your favorite color. Yeah. Purple. And orange. Okay. Put these on. There we go. Now, we pre-made some before the video, so you guys don't have to wait. So, yeah. Also, you put the popsicles in the freezer for 5 hours. Now let's grab these ones. Oh, I'm so excited!
wait to try one. It looks so good.
I know. Okay.
This one's a good side to side.
Yeah. The first one is lighter. It's first.
That's one's a green.
It's so hard. Now, if you have this problem, you run it under warm water to melt the sides, so then it pop off the popsicle, you melt the sides, and then it'll be easier to take off, and yeah, the popsicle won't be melted completely. Yes? Yeah. So let's go over and melt the sides.
Use warm water, not hot water, because if you use hot water, it'll melt the popsicle. You don't want that.
Okay. Now it's time to take it off. Ooh, so exciting!
Oh my god.
It tastes like summer.
This is the best thing I ever had in the whole world.
I